Hey guys, it's Tanvir and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to be showing you how to delete an Instagram account. Be sure watch the video till the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First open an Instagram account. First open your Instagram account and go to the bottom right hand corner of the screen, press your profile photo and then click the three lines upper right hand corners and then go settings and privacy and then go to account center. After that click personal details and then click account ownership and control and then deactivate or deletion and select your Instagram account and deactivate account. It means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. And when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you would just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So select delete account and then press continue. Any reason you can choose and then continue and again continue and enter your Instagram password and then press continue and when I click delete account, it delete permanently. And if you want to cancel your deletion, you just cancel your deletion. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about this video, please leave them comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.